How to do SFS on Snapchat. So first of all, what does SFS mean? So it means snap for snap or shoutout for shoutout, or it's basically the same as follow for follow on Instagram, for example, or sub for sub on YouTube. So you would shout the other person out, and they will also shout you out. So to do that, you just want to create a snap, and you want to add a text. And when you add a text, you can see the different font right here, but you can also see on the left the add button. So if you click on there, you can add all these accounts. So I don't really have actual friends on this account because this account is only used for these tutorials. But let's say I would sort of add Team Snapchat. So just imagine this is an actual person you want to shout out. You just have to do that, and it will just be fine like that. You can also just change the font from that point on. You would just want to put it onto your story. So that's basically it. If you just add it to your story right now, you have now shouted that person out. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.